Want to log into Ghibliart AI with Google? It's quick and easy, and here's how. First, go to Ghibliart.ai and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Instead of entering your credentials, select the Login with Google option. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose your Google account or enter your credentials if prompted. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to Ghibliart AI and your account will be successfully logged in. If you are stuck on the login screen, ensure your browser allows pop-ups and try refreshing the page. And that's it. You are ready to start creating beautiful art. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.